is eaten by everyone, but purple cabbage is actually very delicious and highly nutritious too.
Purple cabbage contains more antioxidants and vitamin C than regular cabbage. Both are low in calories and high in fiber, making them healthy choices. The purple color of purple cabbage comes from natural anthocyanins. This pigment can range from reddish purple to bluish purple depending on the pH level. Let's make purple cabbage fried eggs today. Ready? Let's start. The ingredients are simple. Just purple cabbage and eggs. Shred the purple cabbage finely, wash it, and set it aside. Finely shredding purple cabbage improves its texture as it is naturally quite firm. This technique makes it more enjoyable to eat. Crack the eggs into a bowl, season with salt and pepper, then beat well and set aside. All the ingredients are ready. Let's start frying the eggs. Add the cabbage and stir-fry until slightly softened. Pour in the egg mixture. Do not stir immediately. Let it set slowly. If it's too dry, you can add a circle of cooking all around the edges. For a quicker method, you can slice the eggs into small pieces and flip to continue frying. Alternatively, slide the omelet onto a plate and invert it back into the pan to maintain its round shape. And just like that, a simple purple cabbage omelet is done, and the colors look absolutely lovely. At first glance, it looks like a dish adorned with bluish purple petals. The color is truly stunning. The purple cabbage omelet offers a wonderfully layered texture. The finely shredded cabbage softens during cooking while retaining a pleasant slight crunch. Meanwhile, the eggs create a perfect contrast with their slightly crispy exterior and tender, fluffy interior. Flavor-wise, the rich, savory taste of the eggs blends harmoniously with the mild, sweet notes of the purple cabbage. A light seasoning of salt and pepper enhances the natural flavors of the ingredients, resulting in a dish that is refreshing and not greasy. Purple cabbage rich in anthocyanins. The distinctive purple color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help combat cellular damage and slow aging. Vitamin C powerhouse. It contains more vitamin C than regular cabbage, supporting immune function and collagen production. Low calorie, high fiber, with only 25 kcal per 100 grams and rich in dietary fiber. It promotes satiety and digestive health. Abundant in minerals, provides potassium to help regulate blood pressure, along with essential minerals like calcium and iron. Natural anti-inflammatory properties. Contains glucosinolates with anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing chronic disease risks. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious: cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.